Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Nitika and I know it's been really long since I've made a video on YouTube. I'm assuming it's been more than 6 months now. The reason being I've been very busy, very stressed out. Mostly because of work. I changed my job and all of that, so ending it at one place and then starting off new. So that's change has been a little bit taxing, but then I thought this gives me happiness, and then you guys have liked my videos so much, specifically the Faces Canada one. I think some 6,000 views, and so many of you subscribed to my channel, so many of you liked that video. So I thought, why not I start back and start making videos. And again, when I come back, I have an objective. Because of the stress, my skin, if you see, has really weighed down and it's become very dull. I've developed huge amount of dark circles, and I thought that I'll start a transformation for my skin effective today. And I thought, why not let me make a series of what I do in 7 to 10 days to bring my skin back in energy and back in hydration. Frankly, I know a lot of you don't have time because most of you are working. I also don't have a lot of time. And मैं बहुत छोटी छोटी चीज़ बताऊंगी because इतना टाइम नहीं है कि you do 5 steps 6 steps on a regular basis. So I have decided to come up with a pack which will give the right amount of nutrients and which will also remove my tanning, which will remove my darkness. और मुझे अंडर आई एंड फेस के लिए अलग अलग पैक प्रिपेयर करने का भी I don't have time, so I'm just going to prepare one pack for whole of my face, including my around the eye areas. And I have used it in between once or twice. बहुत regular मैंने नहीं किया, and hence the situation of my skin. But now I've thought that I'll start off with regularly using it for at least 7 to 10 days. And from what I understand of the ingredients, I feel it will give a huge amount of difference to my skin. So if you're going through a phase where you're dull, where your skin has become dull, where you feel that you're aging more than you actually age, and you've lost the glow, you want to come back to that phase, no cosmetic, no cream, nothing will help. Because first you need to improve your hydration, obviously you need to improve your diet, obviously, but you also need to naturally take care of your skin so that at least the upper layer and the top layer is prepared to take in the makeup, to take in the market prepared packs. So all of that has to be done first naturally, and then we'll move on to how we can improve the texture with time. So very quickly I'll just show what I'm going to use, what will be the frequency, and how you can use it. I'll also give you alternatives, but just try this out and then we'll see what else can help. So let's move to the video directly. Okay, so the first and foremost step is you need to wash your face off. Use a face wash or something. And now I'll tell you what all to use. Okay, 4 very simple ingredients. आपको अपने किचन में मिल जाएगा, आपको कहीं भी मिल जाएगा, नहीं भी होगा तो आपको अपने बगल वाले के मिल जाएगा. So the first ingredient is coffee. You would have seen आजकल market में coffee as an ingredient has become crazy. People are preparing packs with coffee, people are preparing scrubs with coffee. So there's a reason because of which coffee is in trend. Use करके देखिए, you will feel the difference. Coffee is very good in terms of providing nutrition to the skin. It's also very good in removing your tanning, and it's good in giving glow to your skin. So first thing is coffee. Next thing is curd. Curd again is very good for removing tanning. आपके पास अगर कुछ भी time नहीं है, every day morning get up and scrub your face only with curd and wash it off. Keep it for 10 minutes, wash it off. That will also help you in removing the darkness and the tanning. But then glow के लिए you need to add a few more things, and one of them is honey. Honey will add moisture and glow to your skin. So अगर आप देखो, मैं भी skin wash करके आई हूँ. I don't know if you can see it, but I feel it's stretchy, it's dry, and it's uncomfortable. That's because it's not hydrated enough. So honey is one thing which will help with that. And the final ingredient is wild turmeric, which is also called as kasturi haldi. Now again, मैंने पहले के वीडियो में भी ये बोला है और अभी भी बोला है, कस्तूरी हल्दी is one thing which should definitely be at your home अगर आप महीने में एक बार भी पैक लगाते हो, because it's very good for your skin. It's made to cater to your skin only. Normal haldi also you can use. Obviously this doesn't leave off color. Normal haldi will leave off color on your skin. So if you use normal haldi, put a pinch of it. If you use this, you can put as much as 1/4 spoon. but I would recommend to use Kasturi haldi because it doesn't dry your skin as well compared to a normal haldi. Okay, so these are the only 4 ingredients. Very very simple pack. You just have to mix all of them. चलिए, so let's start mixing all of these. I'm preparing this pack only for the face, so मैं quantity उसके हिसाब से ले रही हूँ. I've taken I think half a spoon of coffee. Not required more if you're preparing only for your face. अगर आपको बाकी सब चीज़ें भी cover करनी है तो you can take more quantity. And then you take around 1 spoon of curd. अगर चाहिएगा तो we'll mix more, but I think this should suffice. It should be mildly dilute one. ऐसा नहीं है कि बहुत thick हो या बहुत पतला हो. And then around 1/4 spoon of 1/4 spoon of honey, which is shahad. And finally we take around similar quantity as in almost 1/4 spoon of kasturi haldi. Kasturi haldi has a very good fragrance also, so you really like putting it on the face. It will feel refreshing. And this whole pack is a very good mix of both cool and warm ingredients, so it will provide the right temperature to your skin also. So ये pack prepare हो गया. Now I'll just go and apply and come back. So let's just quickly apply. Just take the face pack, apply it all over your face, even around your eyes. It's very safe to be used around your eyes anyway, so just apply it on your neck and everywhere. एक बार ये हो जाएगा, we'll leave it for around 10 minutes and then I'll be quickly back. So I'm back and you can see the glow on my face. I don't know अगर वो वीडियो पे दिख रहा है कि नहीं, but I do see a difference in first use only. But for any pack to act, it takes some time. But at least this time I don't feel that my skin is stretchy or it's very dry, because obviously honey has done its work, and even curd for that matter. So one day will not help. Frankly, I've tried using one pack and expecting a magic will not work. Use it once in a day for the next at least 1 week to 10 days, and it will definitely change your skin. It will definitely give you the glow that you want. Yes, not a magical glow because it's hardly anything in a day. Do it either in the morning as soon as you get up, or apply it before you go to sleep. In case you're stepping out in the morning, please apply a sunscreen after you wash off your this thing. And if you're applying it before you sleep, apply a normal moisturizer or a night cream. So I hope this helped, guys, and I hope this will help your skin and my skin too. I'll see you guys very soon with another video. Promise it will not be such a big delay. So I see you soon. Bye bye.